What's up, y'all? I'm Ryan, and this is So and So Farms. We're a first generation row crop farm from Southeast Missouri. We're on our third crop. My friend Shane and I started this thing ground up. Rented some ground. Luckily, we were blessed to find some ground to rent. Bought some equipment, made a plan, and went after it. So here we are, third crop. Here's the bridge by my house that I show you all the time. And some soybeans that are getting ready. Give them 10 days and we'll be in those. So full disclosure, I am deathly sick right now. Got about 102 temperature, but things got to be done. So I'm headed up to the local Dollar General. Our town has 632 people in it. We just got a Dollar General, so things are really looking up around here. I lit the fires again. Started raining again. The story of my life. And I feel like crap. But it's okay. If it doesn't rain any more than what it has right now, we'll still get the combines going. We just gotta wait and see what happens over about the next 30 minutes. These fires actually are still burning. I really don't want them to just get super hot and burn super fast. I don't want to jump over on anybody else. As long as they kind of creek burn like this, I won't be too mad about that. This field's not doing near as good. Probably have to come light them again. Rain passed and we're gonna try it. Shane had to run to his house, but I jumped to here in the #1 combine. We're gonna go out here and see what it'll do. I don't think it rained enough to matter. This grain gets a fan blown on it when it gets in the machine anyway, so anyhow, we'll just see here how it goes. Separator, header. I always run my 4-wheel drive because I was told that it cools the hydraulic oil. I don't know if that's true, but it makes me feel better. Cut this outside levee here so Matt can get it tore down. I had my mounts out, camera mounts to bring with me. I forgot I'm in a tractor the other day. Anyway, I'm gonna have to use both hands for right now. I can get this field opened up and then I'll grab you back. Got a 1 tank cut. I'm cutting around the edges so Matt can tear the outside border levees down. That helps us turn around on the ends. And then I'm cutting over the top of the poly pipe so we can get that rolled up. Just kind of taking it easy since it did rain, just giving wind time to dry stuff out. Trying to get the field opened up, that way when Shane gets here on his machine, we can rock and roll. Got a bunch of down rice up there. Robert's tearing the levees down. More down rice. Here comes my grain cart. I I took a bunch of Alka-Seltzer this morning. Guess it's getting me through the day. Down rice really makes stuff take a long time. And this, I really need to be going at it from the other direction because it's laying that way. I'm having to kind of pick it up with the reel, which I don't like to do because that just shakes the rice off the head. I think I'm going to try a different deal here as soon as I get to the other end. I'm going to do all my passes this way so I can pick it up off the ground. A lot of the guys around here took off today, but we got some beans that are going to be ready within a week, so we've got to get this rice out. Grain cart again. Matt's having to go a pretty good ways. Kind of he has to wind through these levees and stuff. But we're not going to dent this. It looks like rain over that way. We may get rained out, but we're going to give it what we can until then. I'm still not feeling the greatest, but I'm managing. Rice is cutting pretty decent. Got a wad of weeds there, but I really don't feel like getting down there and wrestling them. And here comes my grain cart. My lunch. I had mashed potatoes and corn today because my throat kind of hurts. Had about 102 fever last night, but can't really take a day off when you got this much crop on the ground. We got rained out. Well guys, it's raining and I don't feel good, so as always, like, subscribe, share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. We appreciate all the subscriptions, and we're going to catch you on the next one.